Hello friends, in last lecture we studied about the double fertilization and what are the significance of double fertilization. So today's our next topic is development of endosperm. Friends, you know very well that in post fertilization changes within the ovule, the embryo and endosperm develops simultaneously. Means in post fertilization changes in post fertilization changes post fertilization changes within the ovule the zygote develops into embryo and triploid primary endospermic nucleus develops into nutritive tissue called as endosperm. So what is the definition of endosperm? Simple. Okay. The triploid primary endospermic nucleus divides repeatedly mitotically and develops nutritive tissue is called endosperm. Okay, is called endosperm. Means endosperm develop from triploid primary endospermic nucleus, and you know very well that the triploid primary endospermic nucleus is developed by second fertilization. Okay, in double fertilization we have studied about that what first fertilization and second fertilization, and in second fertilization process when the diploid secondary nucleus fuse with a one male gamete and it from triploid primary endospermic nucleus, and this triploid primary endospermic nucleus divides repeatedly mitotically, so it develop a nutritive tissue that is called as endosperm. So in plants on the basis of mode of development three types of the endosperms are developed. That is, so which three types? First, nuclear type endosperm. Second, cellular type endosperm. And third, halobial type endosperm. Okay, nuclear type endosperm, cellular type endosperm, and halobial type endosperm. So nuclear type endosperm, it is a common type of endosperm. It is a common type of endosperm. Endosperms are found in angiosperms. Angiospermic plants, angiosperms, and near about 161 families of angiospermic plants shows nuclear type of endosperm. Okay, so first important thing is the nuclear type of endosperm. It is a common type of endosperms are found in angiospermic plants. It is a common type of endosperms are found in angiospermic plants, and near about 161 families of angiospermic plants develop nuclear type of endosperm. Okay, so the nuclear type of endosperm, nuclear type of endosperm developed by developed by the division of triploid primary endospermic nucleus repeatedly mitotic division without wall formation and forms large number of free nuclei Okay, so this type of the endosperm are called as nuclear type of endosperm. So how develop nuclear type of endosperm? Simply, the triploid primary endospermic nucleus cells divides repeatedly mitotically and forms large number of free nuclei. So this type of the endosperm are called as nuclear type of endosperm. This type of the endosperm are called as nuclear type of endosperm. Okay, so in this type of endosperm, so the structure of endosperm is, so here this is the structure of endosperm. Okay, so many free nuclei develop by repeated mitotic division. Okay, and it shows a large vacuole at the center. Okay, so due to this large vacuole at the center. Okay, and here the embryo is developed. Okay, so this is called as embryo. Okay, it is a vacuole, and these are a free nuclei. Okay, so this is the structure of nuclear type of endosperm. Means in nuclear type of endosperm, the large central vacuole are present. So this vacuole are push the free nuclei at periphery, and it develop the nuclear type of endosperm. So the another simple structure of nuclear type of endosperm is, so many free nuclei develops without wall formation. Okay, and without vacuoles. Okay, so this is the structure of and here is embryo. Okay, embryo. So this is also structure of nuclear type of endosperm, and this type of the endosperm are found in plants like as a maize, sunflower, cotton, coconut, wheat, etc. Okay, so this is information about that. The first type of the endosperm, that is nuclear type of endosperm. So I repeat the all points of nuclear type of endosperm. First, it is the common type of endosperm are found in angiospermic plants. Near about 161 families of angiospermic plants shows nuclear type of endosperm. The definition of nuclear type of endosperm is, the nuclear type of endosperm is developed by the division of triploid primary endospermic nucleus repeatedly mitotically, and it forms large number of free nuclei. So that is called as nuclear type of endosperm, and this type of the endosperm are found in plants like as a maize, sunflower, cotton, coconut, wheat, etc. Okay, and this is the structure of nuclear type of endosperm. So the another type is, second type is cellular type of endosperm. So in some plants, the division of triploid primary endospermic nucleus is immediately followed by cell wall formation. Okay, so how the cellular type of endosperm are developed simply in some plants. In some plants, the division of triploid primary endospermic nucleus, immediately followed by cell wall formation, is called cellular type of endosperm. That is called as cellular type of endosperm. Okay, and it is mostly developed in dicot plants. Means this type of the endosperm develop in, it is mostly developed in dicot plants. Okay, so near about 72 families of dicot plants shows 72 families of dicot plant shows cellular type of endosperm. Okay, and the cellular type of endosperm develop in this way. Okay, so in this endosperm, the division of triploid primary endospermic nucleus is followed by the cell wall formation. Means the division of nucleus takes place and it is followed by cell wall formation. Hence, in this way. Okay, so in this way, the cellular type of endosperm are developed. This is the structure of cellular type of endosperm, and this type of the endosperm are found in plants. For example, petunia, and adoxa, etc. Okay, so this is the cellular type of endosperm. Okay, and the last type of endosperm is halobial type. Okay, last type of the endosperm is halobial type. Halobial type means it is a intermediate endosperm in between nuclear and cellular type of endosperm. It is the intermediate endosperm in between. It is the intermediate endosperm in between nuclear and cellular type of endosperm. Okay, so in this case, the first division of triploid primary endospermic nucleus is followed by the transverse wall. Okay, so in this type, the first division of triploid primary endospermic nucleus followed by transverse wall and which divides cell unequally, so means this type of the endosperm divides into two unequal cell. That is smaller cell, it is called as chalazal cell, and larger cell it is also called as micropylar cell. So the smaller cell called chalazal cell. Okay, smaller cell called chalazal cell. So the structure of the smaller cell called chalazal cell. Okay, the smaller cell called Chalagel cell. Okay, means the division of nucleus takes place. Okay, and the larger cell called yes, micropylar cell. Larger cell called micropylar cell. Okay, and this type of the endosperm are mostly found in monocotyledon plants, are belongs to the order Halobiales. Okay, means this type of the endosperm are mostly found in which type of the endosperm? Halobial type of endosperms are mostly found in monocot plants, are belongs to the order Halobial. Hence it is also called as Halobial type of endosperm. Okay, so this type of the endosperms are found in monocot plants. Monocot plants belongs to order Halobiales. Okay, and for example Aspodellus. Okay, so this is the diagram of, yes, this is the structure of halobial type of endosperm. Okay, so this is the total information about that, the development of endosperm. So I repeat all points immediately. First, in post fertilization changes within the ovule, the zygote and endosperms develops immediately or simultaneously. So the triploid primary endospermic nucleus cell divides repeatedly, mitotically, and develop nutritive tissue that is called as endosperm. On the basis of mode of development, there are three types of the endosperm developed in plants: nuclear type, cellular type, and halobial type. So the nuclear type, it is a common type of endosperms are found in angiospermic plants. Near about 161 families are shows nuclear type of endosperm. For example, maize, sunflower, cotton, coconut, wheat, etc. Second is cellular type of endosperm. So this type of the endosperm mostly found in dicot plants. Near about 72 families of dicot plants shows cellular type of endosperm. For example, balsam, petunia, and adaxa. And third is halobial type. So it is an intermediate type of endosperm, and it is an intermediate endosperm in between nuclear and cellular type of endosperm. So mostly it is found in monocot plants, belongs to the order Halobiales. Example, Aspodellus. Okay, so this is the total information about that, the development of endosperm. Friends, if you like my lectures, so please share and subscribe it. Thank you.